Another two formulae we have learned in the previous video is integration of 1 by x dx equal to ln x plus c and integration of e to the power x dx equal to e to the power x plus c. And from these two formulae we found another two formula, integration of 1 by ax plus b dx equal to ln ax plus b divided by a, and integration of e to the power ax plus b equal to e to the power ax plus b divided by a. Now let's see some examples from here. Integration of, if we write 1 divided by 1 plus x dx equal to ln 1 plus x. Here the coefficient of x is 1, so divide by 1 plus c. So we can write it simply as ln 1 plus x plus c. If we write integration of 1 divided by 1 plus 5x dx equal to ln 1 plus 5x, and we will divide it by the coefficient of x divided by 5 plus c. Integration of 1 divided by 2 plus 7x dx, similarly it will become ln 2 plus 7x divided by 7 plus c. Now what about these formulae? If we write integration of e to the power 5x dx, we can write it as e to the power 5x divided by coefficient of x 5 plus c. If we write integration of e to the power 7x plus 8 dx equals to e to the power 7x plus 8 divided by coefficient of x, that means 7 plus c.